What's up guys, welcome to our channel Anime Fever. I'm always posting top 10 new anime lists, so if you're new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. And if you really find this video enjoyable, show your love by liking and commenting. It's also motivate me to keep uploading new videos. Okay friends, let's get started. Top 10 harem anime like Quintessential Quintuple 2020. Okay friends, let's get started. Number 10 is Sister All You Need, 2017 Season 1 Episode 12 Devious. The genre is comedy romance harem. This is a story about the daily life of a young Siscon novelist, Itosuke Hashishima, with his perfect little sister Chichiro, the genius illustrator Naoto Kani, and his best friend Miyako Shirakawa, and some insane partner from his publishers. Number 9 Orisura 2013 Season 1 Episode 13 Dub No. The genre is comedy harem romance school. Ita enters high school aiming for the National University School of Medicine because of his parents' divorce and his goals his son's anything to do with romance or love. One day, Masuju, the school beauty with the silver hair, who has just returned to the country, enters his life in a most unexpected way. Chiva, his childhood friend since elementary school, will not let this go without a fight. Number 8 Domestic Girlfriend 2019 Season 1 Episode 12 Devious. The genre is drama romance harem school shonen. Nasuo Fuji is in love with his teacher Hina. Attempting to forgetting his feeling towards her, Nasuo goes to a mixer with his classmate, where he meets a odd girl named Rui Tachibana. In a strange turn of event, Rui asks Nasuo to sneak out with her and do her a favor. To his surprise, their destination is Ryu house and her request for him to have sex with her. There's no love behind the act, she just wants to learn from the experience. Thinking that it might help him forget about Hina, Nasuo hesitantly agrees. After this unusual encounter, Nasuo now faces a new problem. With his father remarrying, he ends up with a new pair of stepsisters. Unfortunately, he knows that two girls all do well. He soon finds out his new siblings are none other than Hina and Rui, now living with both the teacher he loves and the girl with whom he had his first time. Nasuo finds himself in an unexpected love triangle as he climbs ever close towards adulthood. Number 7 Monster Musume 2015 Season 1 Episode 14 Devious. The genre is comedy, ichi fantasy, harem, romance, school, shonen. 3 years ago, the world learned that harpies, centaurs, catgirl, and all manner of fabulous creatures are not merely fiction. They are flesh and blood, not to mention scalp, feather, horn, and fang. Thanks to the cultural exchange between a species act, these once mythical creatures have been assimilated into society, or at least they are trying, when a helpless human teenager named Kuruso Kimito is inducted as a volunteer into the government exchange program. His world is turned upside down. A snake-like lamia named Mia comes to live with him, and it is Kuruso's job to take care of her and make sure to integrate into his everyday life. Unfortunately for Kuruso, Mia is undeniably sexy and the law against interspecies breeding is very strict. Even worse, when a revising centaur girl and a flirtatious harpy move in, what should a teenage human with raging hormone do? Number 6 Nisekoi 2015 Season 2 Episode 36 Dub No. The genre is comedy harem romance shonen. Raku Ichijo is an average high school student. He also happens to be the sole heir to the head of a Yakuza family called the Shiogumi. 10 years ago, Raku made a secret promise with the girl he met. They promised one another that they will get remarried when they reunite. Since then, Raku never let go of the pendant that girl gave him. Then one day, a beautiful girl named Chitoge Kirasaki transferred into Raku class. Their chemistry was more than off. There was not a moment where they were not fighting, but by a weird turn of event, Raku and Chitago agrees to become fake lovers. Although his heart is really interested in his classmate Kosaki Onodera, Raku must continue pretending to be Chitago's boyfriend. Number 5 Haganai 2013 to Season 2 Episode 25 dub. Yes, the genre is comedy, ichi, harem, romance, school, shonen. Hasegawa Kodaka has transferred school and he is having a hard time making friends. It doesn't help that his blonde hair tends to make people think he's a delinquent. One day he runs into his bad-tempered solitary classmate Yozura while she's talking intimately to her imaginary friend Tomo, realizing that neither of them have any actual friend. They decide that the best way to alter this situation is to form a club and start recruiting. This is how Rinjubu was formed, a club specifically designed for people who don't have very many friends. As the lonely classmates slowly join their little club, they will try to learn how to build friendship through cooking together, playing games, and other group activities. But will this group of relationship challenge Misfit really be able to get going? Number 4, How to Raise a Boring Girlfriend, 2015, Season 1, Episode 12, Davno. The genre is comedy, drama, romance, school, harem. The life of Tomaya Aki, a high school otaku working part-time to support his boring hoarding. With remarkable luck, he bumps headfirst into Megumi Kato, the most beautiful girl he has ever seen. Naturally, the meeting twists his life into a complicated torrent of relationship. Ari Spencer Sawamura, his half-foreigner childhood friend who always value herself relationship with the main character. Kasumi Guaka Utaha, a cold composed, renowned, literally genius who solves everyone aside from our protagonist. What is this? An introduction? The tales of a small, not quite dojo circle, but not quite into studio. Journey through the thought territory of comic and beyond. Number 3, Assassination Classroom, 2017, Season 2, Episode 57, Devious. The genre is action comedy, school, shonen, supernatural, harem. A humorous and action-packed story about a class of misfits who are trying to kill their new teacher, an alien octopus with bizarre power and super strength. The teacher has just destroyed the moon and is threatening to destroy Earth unless his student can destroy him first. What makes things more complicated is that he is the best teacher they have ever had. Number 2, We Never Learn, 2019, Season 2, Episode 28, Dubno. The genre is comedy, harem, romance, school, shonen. His late father always said that he's a useless man, should strive to be useful. So to the end, third-year high school student Naruyaki Yuga dedicated himself to becoming a high achievement student in his school, despite his history of poor grades. In order to give his destitute family a better life, his ultimate goal is to obtain the special VIP nomination, a prestigious scholarship covering all future university tuition fees. Although Naruyaki could feasibly be a shoe in for the nomination, he is constantly overshadowed by classmates Rizu Ogata and Fumi no Furuhashi in mathematics and literature, respectively. To his delight, Naruyaki receives the nomination, but there is a catch. He has to tutor his two star classmates, who are each hopelessly mediocre at other subjects of expertise. To make matter worse, the subject they are horrible at are the same subject they want to pursue for their future. As the time to submit university application draws near, Naruyaki must find an effective tutoring method for the girls before it's too late. Number 1, Happy Lesson, 2003, Season 2, Episode 426, Dubious. The genre is comedy, harem, romance, school. Hitose Chitose was always alone and untrusting of people, but when 5 female teachers appears and started living together with him in his family house, as his mother's things started to change and pick up. Together with Hazuki Ne and Munezaki, his two sisters, every day is a lesson. I hope friends all of you enjoy this video. If you really enjoy this, show your love by like and commenting, and if you're new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. It's also motivate me to keep uploading new video and run this challenge. So okay friends, we hope and we give a target 20 likes for this video. I know we can do this with the help of you.